Radhe Govind, my dear students. Now we will take the example of fragmentation. Here we show first a moderate size internet datagram of 452 data octets, which means the mm, size minimum size of the IP datagram would be 472, including 20 byte header with the 452 data bytes. Okay, so this is the header of this 452 byte datagram and 20 byte header. Okay, so here the maximum transmission unit allowed were 280 octets. Okay, so maximum transmission unit allowed is 280 octets. That means we can uh, we can send only 260 byte data. Uh, so 260 byte data in a particular IP datagram. So 260 is not divisible by 260 is not divisible by 8. So the nearest value to the 260 is 256 bytes. Okay, so the 256 byte data octets can be sent in a one IP datagram having 20 byte header 20 byte header additional, so total 276 byte or 276 octet IP datagram can be sent. So the uh, remaining bytes from the uh, remaining bytes from the 452 data octets are 452 minus 256. So 452 minus 256 is actually 196 bytes. So the next IP header, IP datagram we can send is of 196 byte data plus 20 byte header, which is 216 IP datagram. So the total length field will contain the value 216. Okay, and fragment offset is equal to 32 bit, which will tell that there is no other data fragment. Flag 0 is set to 0, flag bit is set to 0. Fine, so you can see that uh, this is the total IP header represented by. So version is for internet header length. 4-bit internet header length is given by 5, which means that the internet header has the length 5 octets. Okay, no, sorry, 5 octets of 32 bit words. Okay, so 5 octets of 32 bit words, that is, there is no optional or padding field. Okay, now you have a question in your mind that if the datagram and packet size is more than the MTU unit, but it is not the multiple of 8 bytes, then what you should do? So you just add the padding bits to make it the multiple of 8 bytes. Okay, so this is all about the fragmentation. Okay, so the question here I will give you. So if the MTU is 280 units, note down this question. If MTU is 280 octets, fine. Then if you want to send 576 uh, byte of IP datagram, complete IP datagram, then uh, what would be the fragments? Okay, you just need to make the this IP header of the of all the fragments you need to transmit from the channel. Okay, all the best and all the success. Stay home and stay safe.